This monsoon season, I have decided to bring another yummy dessert recipe, which is Oreo shorts. This is 10 minutes recipe, no bake dessert, and easy to make at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Smita on my channel Live with Smita. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to teach you how to make Oreo shorts, which is very easy and quick recipe. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to melt my chocolate using double boiler method. You can use microwave for the same. I'm using around 100 grams of chocolate and let it melt it. I'm using dark chocolate here. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of cooking cream. Now mix it nicely. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And keep it aside to cool down. For this dessert, I am gonna crushing Oreo biscuit using mixer grinder. I have used half a packet of Oreo biscuit here. And keep this powder aside. Now we are going to whip our cream. Here I am using and also recommending non-dairy cream, because it is easy to whip. You can also use a ready-made whipped cream available in the market. Whipping is a very tricky process, and if you don't follow the steps correctly, it may spoil and whipping may not happen correctly. So first step is, do not forget to put your cream in the freezer for 30 minutes before starting whipping process. The second step is, take some ice cubes and prepare ice bath like I am doing. Then keep your container on it. I prefer using metal container. You can also use a glass mixing bowl. And the third step is, set the machine on low speed and start whipping the cream. It will take 5 minutes to reach final stage of whipping, where you can see light foam peaks. Mix half portion of the cream with melted chocolate nicely. This is our chocolate mousse. And fill the piping bag with this mixture or mousse. And the remaining half, keep it in the refrigerator back. Now the fun part starts here, which is layering. Layer our serving glasses with Oreo crumbs. Push the crumbs nicely so that it sits on the bottom evenly. We will do like this with all the serving glasses. Now, time for second layer with mousse. I am using piping bag here. You can use a spoon and level it up nicely, cleanly. Our 2 layers are done, and the last layer is whipping cream. And level it up. I am using spoon here. and clean the edges or the top part nicely like this and garnish with Oreo crumbs and biscuits. So yummy! Ta-da! Here we go! These were so fun to make and look so tempting in the peeling. So next time try this easy and delicious dessert recipe for your party. Kids gonna love this and grown-ups too. Enjoy! I hope you will love to try this yummy and finger-licking dessert recipe. Do give your feedback in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.